Welcome to Vedic Mathematics for Schools. In this lesson today, we will visit the phased organization of Vedic Ganita Sutras text. School education is these days organized as high and higher secondary classes. Parallel to it, Ganita Sutras mathematics is being organized as Sutras 1 to 8 and Sutras 9 to 16. Sutras 1 to 8 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are having transition Upsutras 1, Upsutra 2, Upsutra 3, Upsutra 4, Upsutra 5, Upsutra 6 and Upsutra 7. These 8 sutras and 7 Upsutras together make the first phase, and this as such is being taken as high school Vedic mathematics. And sutras 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 are having transitions of 8th Upsutra, 9th Upsutra, 10th, 11th, it should be here is the 8th. We will be having Sutra 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16, and transitions sutras here will be 8, 9, 10th, 11th, 12th and 13th. This is going to be the second phase, means higher secondary. Vedic mathematics. Parallel with these phases of Vedic mathematics, there will be Vedic mathematics science and technology as applied values, and for first phase focus will be upon initial base of 3, 4, 5 and 6 space, and for the second phase the focus will be upon 0, 1, 2, 7, 9 and 10 spaces. There is a specific reasons for it, as that as far as the text of Vedic Ganita Sutras is concerned, it has specific formulations for these numbers. Say for 0 we are having Shunne, for 1 Ek, and like that these formulations are there, part of the text itself. However, as these values and 8, these are concerned, with respect to it, there are no specific text formulations. The reasons of it, rationale of it as well will be taken up as to how it is happening, why it is as such as it is this organization. To feed the curiosity at the outset, we can just say that creator's space is having a transcendental origin, 5 space as an origin, and the transition from 4 space, creator space, manifested creations, to their transcendental base will lead to 5 space as a space of 11 geometries, of which these 5 geometries make a class, and these 6 geometries make another distinct class. In the light of these preliminary features, let us now have a bit deeper glimpse of this organization. Vedic mathematics of high schools is being taken as mathematics of Sutras 1 to 8 and Sutras 1 to 7. Vedic mathematics of higher secondary schools is going to be the mathematics of Sutras 9 to 16 and Sutras 8 to 13. Let us now have a glimpse of this organization. It will make it Sutra 1 to be followed by Sutra 1, Sutra 2 by Sutra 2, Sutra 3 for Sutra 3, and to be continued Sutra 7 by Sutra 7, and then Sutra 8. These 15 hymns will make a Vedic mathematics high school text, and ahead Sutra 9, Sutra 8, Sutra 10, Sutra 9, Sutra 14, Sutra 13, Sutra 15, Sutra 16 is going to be the Vedic mathematics text of higher secondary classes. Now let me just have a glimpse of this organization. We will begin with Ekadhike, Purve, to be followed by Anurupe, and then Nikhlim, Navastacharmam, Dashata, to be followed by Shishyate Shesh Sangya. This organization, as it is, will help us appreciate that Sutra 1 is complemented and supplemented by Upsutra 1 to have a smooth transition for Sutra 2. The mathematics of Sutra 1 as a rule of one more than before, when is complemented by Upsutra 1 rule of proportionality, then instead of 1, we may work it with 2 or with half or with n or with 1 over n as a unit. On the face of it, this supplementing feature of bridging the gap from Sutra 1 to Sutra 2, the mathematical domain of Sutra 1 to mathematical domain of Sutra 2, from linear progression to a place value system, there will be a smooth transition with the rule of Upsutra 1. Likewise, the transition from the mathematical domain of Sutra 2 to Sutra 3, the Upsutra 2, Shishyate Shesh Sangya, will help have a smooth transition. Let us have a pause and have a revisit that firstly Sutra 1 to Sutra 2 reach requires bridging, and same is done with the help of Upsutra 1. This bridging of the mathematical domains of Sutra 1 and Sutra 2 by Upsutra 1 is have further supporting features, and it can be said that if we are at Sutra 1 and Upsutra 1 and then in this sequence reach at Sutra 2 and here the reach is at Upsutra 2, then it also can be like that from Sutra 1 to Upsutra 1 and then to Sutra 2, or from Upsutra 1 to Upsutra 2 and then back to Sutra 1 or at Sutra. Therefore, this composite integrated text of Sutras and Upsutras, as is being seen at the very initial step of Sutra 1 to Sutra 2 and Upsutra 1 to Upsutra 2, then there is going to be a very, very pleasant feature, as that now instead of single progression stream Sutra 1 to Sutra 2 or another flow stream from Upsutra 1 to Upsutra 2, the same makes it a completely spatial format. And it is this S1 reach to S2 as a first flow, US1 to US2 as a second stream, and then this fourfold reach from all the four corners of a surface or a square will provide a very beautiful mathematical domain of complete transition from linear order to a spatial order, and this will make Vedic mathematics a mathematics of a spatial order of four space, and as such we are having, or we may designate it, or we take it, it is a creator's space mathematics. Creator's space mathematics would mean four space mathematics, and once we will be at four space mathematics, that simply would mean that we will reach from our three space linear order space to four space spatial order space. Once we will have a reach from linear order space to a spatial order space, then we will be having the manifested creations, and from here, because of the transcendental origin of creator's space, we will be having smooth transition from creator's space to transcendental space and beyond to a self-referral space, and as such it will become the mathematics of a solar universe. Let me have a pause here and let us have a blissful revisit as that formulations 0, 1, 2, then 7, 8, 7, 9 and 10 are having specific formulations, and it that way will become a Vedic mathematics. However, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8 will remain unmanifest, so it will become a foundation. And it foundation as such will be making Vedic mathematics science and technology discipline, and here we are at Vedic mathematics basis base values. So the advanced mathematics means graduation level mathematics will have again two streams of 0, 1, 2, 7, 9 and 10 of summation value 26 and of summation value 29, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 summation value 26. It is here that we will be at hypercube 7, a 7 space which is playing the role of the origin of 6 space, that is the pole star is 7 space, and here we are parallel with formulation Brahma, the creator, the presiding deity, where the H4, because of spatial order, transforms as 14, as it is 2, 3, 4 and 5, and summation value is 14, and it has as many as 29 versions. This way, together at post-graduation, we will be seeing how 26, 27, 28 and 29 make hypercube 18, 28, and it is here where we will be reaching at the second perfect number. It is Brahm and same is eternity. This way, Vedic Ganita Sutras, which begin with first letter as 6, first perfect number, and reaches up till 28. So this will make Vedic system. We are learning for to be parallel with Vedic systems. It is this general phased outline for to be parallel with Vedic systems, which would mean from first perfect number to second perfect number, and sthapatya wise it would mean Surya, sun, solar universe, to Brahmand, universe in its generality. So from solar universe to eternal universe is the format. It is Vedic system, and it is this system which we are learning. We are initiating ourselves to be parallel with Vedic systems, means we are phasing Vedic mathematics of Vedic Ganita Sutras and Sutras, and we are having phased education, say for high classes, then for higher classes, graduation, post-graduation, and then we will be at phase and stage of Srishti creation as the research domain. Sit comfortably, be through the text of Ganita Sutras and Upsutras. So initiate yourself with Devanagari alphabet. Learn to translate letters text into numbers and then to Sthapatya. Then memorize the Vedic Ganita Sutras text and phase it as an integrated text of Vedic Ganita Sutras and Upsutras, and phase them as Sutras 1 to 8 and 9 to 16 to be integrated with Upsutras 1 to 7 and 8 to 13. Thank you very much. You'll